Why teleprompters matter. In the fast-paced world of content creation, where every second counts, staying ahead is a challenge. But what if I told you there's a game changer that can transform your workflow and elevate your content to new heights? Let's dive into the world of teleprompters, the secret weapon of successful content creators. Hi, I'm Lily from teleprompter.com, and today we're unlocking the undeniable value of teleprompters and why they're an absolute must-have in the content creation industry. The content creation revolution. The digital age has ushered in an era where content reigns supreme. From captivating videos to informative presentations, content creators are shaping the way we consume information. With the rise of digital technology, social media, and online platforms, the traditional boundaries and limitations of content creation have been shattered, giving birth to a new era of creativity, accessibility, and engagement. In the past, producing high-quality content required significant resources and access to specialized tools. Now, anyone with a smartphone and an internet connection can become a content creator, reaching a global audience. There is a saying that in order to be professional, you need to look professional. Whether it's just a small creator or the traditional media outlets, the content needs to look professional and feel unforced. But here's the twist. Teleprompters are the unsung heroes behind the scenes everywhere you look. Every industry member uses them because they enable you to deliver messages flawlessly with precision and charisma. The art of authentic delivery. Authenticity is the cornerstone of compelling content. You might live in the belief that there is a slim chance for you to stand out from the crowd, but you are more unique than you let yourself believe. Let me tell you a fact. Your voice is as distinctive as your fingerprint, a reflection of your personality and emotions. Embrace it. Authentic delivery starts with embracing the richness and uniqueness of your own voice. By championing your voice, you infuse your words with genuine character and authenticity, making your message truly your own. By allowing yourself to flow naturally, words become a bridge with the audience that connects hearts and minds. Authenticity isn't just a technique, it's a way of communicating that leaves a profound impact. Teleprompters empower you to maintain eye contact with your audience while delivering your script flawlessly. No more stumbling over words or reading from notes. Teleprompters give you the freedom to engage with your audience with genuine, unrehearsed expressions. Time is of the essence. In the content creation industry, time is not just a precious commodity, it's the heartbeat that drives success. Innovation waits for no one, and the pace of content creation is a testament to that. As technology evolves, so do audience expectations. Staying ahead requires agility and the ability to create quality content quickly. Whether it's producing videos, writing articles, or designing visuals, efficient content creation allows you to seize opportunities and deliver fresh, relevant content when it matters most. Teleprompters streamline your recording workflow, allowing you to create content efficiently and meet deadlines. With a teleprompter guiding your words, you can focus on your delivery, ensuring your message resonates, all while maintaining a seamless pace and never being late with uploads. Precision and professionalism. In the digital landscape, precision is your ally. It's the fine brushstroke that transforms your work from good to exceptional. Every detail, whether in visuals, editing, or script, adds up to create a symphony of excellence. By mastering precision, you ensure that your message is conveyed with utmost clarity, leaving no room for confusion or misinterpretation. Teleprompters inject a dose of professionalism into your content. Say goodbye to reading from papers or glancing at screens. Teleprompters ensure your delivery is top-notch. Whether you're creating educational videos, corporate presentations, or engaging vlogs, teleprompters elevate your content's quality and make you stand out. Versatility and adaptability. The content creation landscape is diverse. and teleprompters adapt to your needs. From studio setups to on-the-go shoots, they're a versatile tool that fits any scenario. They come in handy whether you are shooting pre-planned or jumping on a live broadcast. Teleprompters evolve alongside your creativity, ensuring you're always ready to captivate your audience, regardless of the circumstances. So, there you have it, the untold story of how teleprompters are shaping the content creation industry. They're more than just a tool. They're your gateway to authentic, efficient, and professional content. Unveil the power of teleprompters and reshape your content creation journey. Let's revolutionize your content, one word at a time. With teleprompters by your side, you're not just creating content, you're crafting experiences that resonate, educate, and entertain. If you're looking for a great teleprompter app, let me recommend one. With our teleprompter app, you can experience the convenience of managing scripts and recording from anywhere, even without internet connection. With its many features, such as unlimited script storage, automatic subtitle creation, and customization options, you can boost your performance, align your workflow, and captivate your audience like never before. If you're as excited as we are about the endless possibilities teleprompters bring to the content creation industry, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more inspiring insights. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comment sections below. And don't forget to keep creating and keep teleprompting.